Hey guys, it's Mrs. Foster, and as you know, we are no longer having Fun Friday at school, so I cannot show all of you how to continue with the baking. So I'm going to make you some videos from my house, and I'm going to use the things that you typically get in the lunch packs that you get from school each day to help you use up some of that those extra ingredients that are just laying around. So today we are going to learn how to make quick and easy Rice Krispie treats. 3 ingredients, super easy. Anyone can do it. So what you need, okay, we got these Rice Krispies cereal things from the lunch baskets that the school provided. And so we are going to use these. It calls for 6 cups of Rice Krispies. And these are about 3/4 cup each. So we are going to use 9 of these as I pour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them into a large bowl, okay? And then we need to, excuse me just a second, get our 1 pack of marshmallows. I like to use the miniature ones. They kind of melt down a little bit easier. And so we're gonna take 1 big pack of marshmallows, and we have a microwave safe bowl. So this is all microwavable. That way you guys can all do this on your own. And we need 4 sorry, they're dropping, 4 tablespoons of butter. And if you remember, when I like to use sticks of butter because it's already measured out for us. And so we are going to use 4 tablespoons of butter, which is a 1/2 stick of butter. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for increments of about 20 seconds. Stir, and then keep doing that until everything is melted together. So I'm going to do that now. Okay guys, now I have my marshmallows, all melted down. And so I'm going to give it a quick stir. It's pretty hot, so I'm hoping I don't burn my fingers. So I'm going to make sure it's all stirred up and the butter is all stirred in and not kind of sitting out on top of the marshmallow. Also, one thing that I did not say, please make sure, because we are in the midst of a virus pandemic, but you should do this anyway. Please make sure you're washing your hands with soap and water before and after touching your food and your ingredients. Okay. So now I'm going to take, I'm going to see if I can situate this camera a little better. Okay. I'm going to take the marshmallow and put it in my bowl of Rice Krispies. Oh. Okay. Oh, I want to make sure we get as much out as we can. My kids like really gooey Rice Krispie treats. Okay. And then we're just going to stir it all up and mix it all up. And make sure all the marshmallows cover the Rice Krispies. It's a little bit sticky in here. Okay. So looks like we are pretty well stirred up. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have my glass baking dish, and I'm going to spray it with cooking spray. Okay, got it. That'll keep everything from sticking. Now, those of you that baked with me before, okay, we have to press this with our hands. So those of you that have baked with me before know that I like to spray my hands to keep them from getting super sticky. So I'm going to spray my hands, one of my hands with the pan. I rub them together, and that should keep the mixture from sticking to my hands very much, hopefully. Okay, and then we're gonna take our mixture, pour it in the glass baking pan. Okay. And then the last thing we're gonna do is just press it in the pan. These look good. So this will be a treat that my kids will get. They're out fishing with their dad right now, so when they get home and see that this is part of dinner, they're going to be pretty happy about that. Okay. So now that we're all pressed down, we need to let it cool for about 30 minutes. I like to put it in the refrigerator. It just allows the marshmallow to harden a little bit better. So give me just 1 second. I'm going to pause us and wash my hands. Okay, so now we are at, let me switch that around. Oh no, I don't know how to switch my camera around. Anyway, so we are at, this way, our finished product. Looks pretty good. I'm going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes and then it will be ready to eat. So also those of you that have baked with me before know it is your responsibility as the baker of the kitchen to clean up your mess. So as I wait for these 30 minutes, I'm going to do my dishes. Hopefully this was a helpful video that you guys can use some of your extra lunch items and make some delicious Rice Krispie treats.